Well, this is a nice surprise to wake up to in the morning. Hello. Falter and soil. Oh my god. Oy. Look at that. Bromach, a big baby boy. Look here, lady, look at that. That's for a fine foal. So Sheikh Lugger Maiden, he's just fresh out Cogordicus, lady. Fair play to you. How are you doing? Huh? Are you getting on fault? Jeez, he's already pushed into me. Only just born, boy. What's your route? So I'm gonna give him a second now. See if he suck a bit. But a fine, strong foal. Delighted, lads. You happy? Oh, you're a great girl. Right, I'll give him a second. You are gorgeous, man. Look at that star. Look at you.